Okay, this is the start of my project with all-in-one tapestry color, and I'm going to put a finish on it. I kind of made it so that it's lighter, darker, and I kind of wanted some depth to it, so I'm hoping that that works out to my advantage. We'll see. This is my deck stain brush. This is where I put the glaze on. It's really, and this is a slow drying glaze, so it gives you time to work. So I'm just layering it on here, layering it on. You kind of have to get really careful around the edges because it does get drippy. So that's why I just started in the middle here and then worked my way to the edges. Everything that I have seen, they say, you know, go with the grain of the wood and go in one direction. Put it on, and then I'm just gonna dry brush it off. Let's see, I put that on the thing. So this is the finished product. It turned out really pretty happy with it.